PhoneGap is a cross-platform native development framework that enables you to essentially write native applications for various mobile phone platforms with HTML, JavaScript, and CSS.
It's super easy. If you know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can build a PhoneGap application.
PhoneGap is free to download from PhoneGap.com, and you can just start writing your HTML, compile it with PhoneGap, and install it on your phone. So PhoneGap today runs on iOS, so iPhone and iPad, Android, BlackBerry, WebOS, all HP devices, Symbian, Windows Phone 7, Bata.
I think the big reason why we built PhoneGap is because we're big believers in the web, and we wanted to develop applications using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And we didn't want to get locked into particular vendor proprietary platforms.
We wanted to reuse our HTML and JavaScript development skills, which we've been developing here at nitobi over the last 10 years, and we wanted to leverage those, and we thought other people would want to as well. PhoneGap has been used to build thousands and thousands of applications. PhoneGap Build is a cloud-based service that lets you compile and do a lot of the development with PhoneGap.
You upload it to our servers where we actually do the build process for you.
So you don't have to go and download all these different SDKs and toolkits to get set up to build with PhoneGap. We take care of all that for you.
PhoneGap's strengths come from the fact that it's based on open standards. You get a lot of reuse of your web development skills, as well as the frameworks and tools that you're used to working with on the web.
What that means is you don't have to go out and hire an Objective-C expert, Java expert, and so on and so forth. So you can reuse code and you can reuse your existing team to build native applications that you can then deploy to app stores and install directly on handsets.
So the API for PhoneGap is pretty simple, one being sensors.
Sensors being things like geolocation, accelerometer, camera.
We also have access to what we call data APIs, so things like the file system. You can read and write files, you can access contact information.
There's tons of companies, big and small, using PhoneGap today. Some of the bigger names are companies like Logitech, Fox Media, National Film Board of Canada,
Alcatel-Lucent, Adobe, IBM.
All the big vendors believe in the mobile web.
nitobi is the main contributor to the PhoneGap project. Today we've had well over 500,000 downloads of the PhoneGap framework. It's really a large community of people using PhoneGap and lots of people to talk to and bounce ideas off of if you're developing with the framework.
If you need to take it to the next level, you can always come to nitobi, and we offer support, training, and consulting services.